Lubrication of the main engine is responsible for lubricating and cooling the internal parts, which are moving relative to each other, creating friction and heat. In this video, we are going to see the camshaft lubrication system. The camshaft lubrication system fulfills the following functions. The system lubricates and cools the camshaft bearings, the roller guides, cams, rollers of fuel pumps and exhaust valve actuator pumps and engines fitted with camshaft. The system supplies oil to the exhaust valve actuator pumps and engines to operate the exhaust valves. The various components in the camshaft lubrication system are: camshaft lube oil drain tank. It is located above the tank top. A sounding pipe is provided to know the level of lube oil in the drain tank. A valve at the suction side of the camshaft lube oil pump. Suction side duplex strainer. A duplex strainer is fitted in the suction side of camshaft lube oil pumps to filter the coarse particle to protect the pump. The camshaft lube oil pumps. The camshaft lubrication system is provided with 2 in numbers of positive displacement type pumps, such as gear pumps or screw pumps. Any one pump is run and the other pump is kept on standby mode. The pump on standby mode automatically starts should there be a lubricating oil discharge pressure reduction in the running pump. The camshaft lube oil pumps take their suction from the camshaft lube oil drain tank and passes it through the discharge valve to the camshaft lube oil cooler, which takes away the heat. The camshaft lube oil cooler can be either of shell and tube type or of plate type. The lube oil cooler is cooled either by the low temperature central cooling freshwater system or by the seawater system. Temperature control valve. A 3-way control valve is fitted across the cooler to regulate the quantity of camshaft lube oil passing through the cooler in such a way that maintains the temperature of camshaft lube oil entering the engine at a set constant value. Full flow filter. A full flow filter to filter particles of 50 micron and above is fitted in the discharge side of camshaft lube oil pump. Camshaft lube oil manifold. After the 50 micron filter, the lube oil enters the manifold which supplies oil to exhaust valve actuator pump. Camshaft bearings. Cams. And roller guides. Let's see pressure and temperature instruments fitted in the system. A compound gauge at the suction side of the pump. A pressure gauge at the discharge side of the pump. A pressure switch at the discharge side of the pump to give low pump discharge pressure alarm and to start the standby pump automatically. A thermometer at the oil inlet to the cooler. A thermometer at the oil outlet from the cooler. A thermometer at the lube oil inlet manifold. A pressure gauge at the manifold. Pressure switch to give camshaft system lube oil low pressure alarm. Pressure switch to give camshaft system lube oil extra low pressure trip. Pressure transmitter to transmit the lube oil pressure to engine control room. Now let us see how the camshaft lube oil flows from one component to another. When the pump is started, the lube oil is sucked from the sump through the suction side strainer. The oil then flows through the oil cooler and then through the full flow filter. It enters the manifold. The manifold supplies oil to exhaust valve actuator pump. Camshaft bearings, roller guides. From the bearings, roller guides, and exhaust valve actuators pump, the oil drains to the bottom of the bearing housings, where a suitable oil level is maintained to lubricate the running surfaces of the cams. From here, the lube oil is drained back to the Camshaft Lube Oil Drain Tank. Hope this video helped you in understanding the camshaft lubrication system of main engine.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content.